Hello everybody, it's me again, your friendly senior citizen. It's still Friday, 14 August 2020. It's about noon again. It's lunchtime here. Seaside, Monterey Peninsula. This is my second video this afternoon. This one's, I'm going to try to knock out 4 real quick. And these videos are about the post office overcharging, deliberately overcharging and defrauding me and my recipients of other mail items, and they're shaking them down for more money for postage that's not due. Okay, so in order to tell this story, I gotta like do all these chapters, and this one's going to be on how it is that the price is established on what this mail item is, how much it costs to mail this item in the CD mailer. Okay. So we're going to start with this. This is from their website. This is the price calculator. This is letters. This is letters. I know it's backwards. Letters business price calculator, and it's not. There's no difference between business and personal or whatever. When it's the mail, they'll call it business price. This is for letters, and it gives the dimensions of what letters are. They do this. They have this in different ways. They show this on the website. You can find it in different kind of formats. That's for letters. This is for flats. A flat is a larger than letter. You see, that's what a flat is. That's the size. They got small flats and large flats, and because of the size, these automatically become parcel mail. And the price for parcel mail is about 4 times higher than letter size. And again, this is letter size right here. Okay, and they have dimensions of okay, I'll read them. Length, maximum 5.5. Length, minimum 5.5, maximum 11.5. 5 by 11. Okay, height, minimum 3.5, maximum 6 1/8. Okay, height. Thickness, 0.007 thousandths of an inch or 1/4 inch. Okay. In order to be a letter, it must be within these specifications: 1/4 inch, less than 6 1/8, and not less than 5.5, nor more than 11.5. Okay. Okay, we'll do the large one. Large flat is 11.5 inches by 15 in length. In height, 6 1/8 inches by 12, and thickness 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch. You see, over an inch, I guess it becomes a box. Okay, that's what it explains there. And then they have these other things called 1, 2, 3 price sheets. Okay, this is what a price list looks like. And they call, notice 1, 2, 3. This one is from September of 2014. In this, it shows down here. Well, it lists all this stuff here, and I'm not going to go through it all because it looks like it's an index for pages where you can go look stuff up. And then down here, retail first class mail. It's got the index and all this about sizes and everything, and it's got this criteria in here for what happens if it's rigid and what happens if it's not, and what happens oversized, whatever. Okay, that's what we're going to read. They call it the EDM. You'll hear people talk about the EDM in these videos. And so this is the 1, 2, 3 price list from 2014. We're going to look at it in 2016, and we're going to look at it in 2020. Because in 2020, the other day, this is the one that PEDRO FLORES told me they changed to be allowing him to charge parcel rates for mails, for letter size mail. And he's lying. He says it's on the website. He wouldn't give it to me. He wouldn't tell me exactly what he was looking at, but he told me it was on the website, and I go find it for myself. Well, I couldn't find these price lists anymore. I don't know if they're not doing them, or I just couldn't find them. But this is the pricing, first class mail from the post office, single piece, and we're going to read again at the bottom what's circled there. So these are the price lists, and let's read one. Let's start with the oldest one. I'm not going to go over the dimensions again, but here's the dimensions, what stipulates a mail piece. Okay, and we're going to read over here this bit about, they call it non-machinable. Okay, It doesn't go through the mail sorting machine. So what to do then? Letters that meet one or more of the non-machinal characteristics. I'm reading from right here. Letters that meet one or more of the non-machinal characteristics in DMM 101.1.2 are subject to the 21-cent non-machinable surcharge. Large envelope size pieces that are rigid, non-rectangular, or not uniformly thick pay parcel prices. For keys and identification devices, add 83 cents if more than 13 ounces. See priority mail. For weights over 3.5 ounces, see large envelope prices. The card price applies to each single or double postcard when originally mailed. And then EDM retail standard mail flats accepted at retail. Okay, so some of that doesn't make any difference to us, but it goes. Let's start with let's go back to the first one. Letters that meet. This first one right here. Letters that meet. Letters that meet one or more of the non-machinal characteristics. The non-machinal characteristics are: it's got to be flat if it's either square, more than a quarter inch thick. No, if it's square, rigid. Oh, fuck it. I forget. We'll get back to that. Anyway, letters that meet one or more of the non-machinable characteristics in DM 101 are subject to, in this case, a 21-cent non-machinable surcharge. I mentioned in another video that this changes. Right now it's 15 cents. Okay, so I did this video. This video is to show you where these prices come from. Okay, that was 214. This is 216. Let's read it. Letters that meet one or more of the non-machinable characteristics DM 102 are subject to a 22 cent machine surcharge, up from 21. Okay, that's from 2016. That's the last one I have from those years. So this one I just printed out the other day. First class mail. Down on the bottom, they changed the format. It doesn't look the same. Letters that meet one or more of the non-machinal characteristics of DMM 101.1.2 are subject to the 15-cent non-machinable surcharge. Large envelope size pieces that are rigid, non-rectangular, or not uniformly thick pay parcel prices. Blah, blah, blah. This, in the 2020, the one Flores is telling me he's right. He's lying about, or something. Is he can't read? What's the deal here with these post office people? Why so many discrepancies in what they're telling me? Because everyone proves out to be a falsehood. And it's getting to be where there's so many. I'm just calling them lies. Why are they lying? Well, it's just they want the extra $3. And Flores made some comment about it's about the money. Revenue protection, he called it. And it's because of the new Postmaster, and I'm going to be doing a video on that. So this is the price list, and this is where we get the prices from. And now we're going to do the emails. And when we talk about the prices and the price lists, that's what we're talking about. I did a video on the letter, quote unquote. The letter I got from Cynthia Gray, from this guy Tricamo, who I never talked to or met or emailed or anything, and the details in the letter are all confusing and they're false, they're misleading. I didn't tell him, I didn't say them. And so now this particular letter has turned into another big issue, and the email is going to be talking about the letter. So now we got how we get the prices, the price list, and the letter. Okay, so now we're going to do the emails, and you're going to be able to follow this thing from at least 4 years ago, maybe longer. Like I said, it's been going on 15 years that they're overcharging. And what's going on right now is just the level of misleading information is to the point where I don't know what else to call it but lying and fraud. And that's why I'm doing these videos, because now they stop talking to me. They won't answer them at all now. And I can't mail my CD mailers, all right, without giving them $4. And it's only $1 to mail this. Okay. I don't want to collect $3 more from the post from my recipients, from my people buying these. I don't want to charge them for postage that they don't owe and collect it for the post office and give it to them, because they're cheating, they're lying. So that's what this is about. And now that they're lying about me and refusing to come clean on a lot of these things, that's what this is about. Okay, so please watch the videos, and please leave your comments at the bottom. I want to know what your opinions are. I know they're watching these videos too. So do that for me, and watch for the next video, because I'm trying to get up as many as I can, maybe 4 a day. There's a whole lot of details about this that y'all don't know yet. So, okay, talk to you later. Gary out.